In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a music bot to Discord server. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite a trusted music bot to your server using the official Discord flow, with a few tips to keep things safe and smooth. Start by opening your web browser and searching for a Discord music bot. Popular, well-known options include Jockey Music and Fredboat. Type the bot's name into a search engine and look carefully at the results to find the official site. Avoid sponsored links or lookalike pages that don't match the bot's real brand. A quick check for a reputable domain, a clear about or documentation page, and active community links is a good sign you're in the right place. Once you're on the bot's official website, look for the Invite or Add to Discord button. This is the legitimate way to bring a bot into your server. You should not need to download any files or run any installers for a music bot. The Invite button will take you through Discord's built-in authorization system, which is the safest path. Click Invite. A Discord authorization page will open, either in your browser or by directing you to the Discord app. On this screen, you'll see the bot's name along with a list of the permissions it's requesting. It's normal for a music bot to ask for permissions that let it connect to voice channels and interact with messages or use/commands. Take a moment to read what it's asking for so you understand why those permissions are needed. As an extra safety check, confirm the URL begins with discord.com and that the bot name matches what you selected. When you're ready, click Continue and then Authorize. This tells Discord you approve the connection and the requested permissions for that bot. The process is managed by Discord itself, which helps ensure you're granting access in a controlled, transparent way. If the page prompts you to confirm the action within Discord, follow the on-screen instructions and proceed. That's it. Once you've clicked Continue and Authorize, the invitation is complete, and the bot is connected through the official Discord system. You should now see the bot listed in your server's member list, and it will be ready to respond to commands according to its features and documentation. If you ever need help, the bot's website usually includes a guide or FAQ. And remember, always invite bots from their official pages and review permissions before approving. There you go. That's all.